All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it so much. So today, me and Ryan worked together for the second half of the day in this 2-bedroom unit. I worked on this bathroom, the closet right here, the bedroom and the kitchen, and the living room. And then I also finished the stuff from yesterday, which you will see at the end of the video. But basically, right now, just taking the power from each box from the home run from the bathroom, switch to the plug in the hallway from this second switch box for the closet. So I got 5 wires here, power in, power out, and then 2 switch legs, and then taking the power from that switch box over to this plug over here, and then just wrapping that around the whole bedroom for all the plugs. So basically just power in, power out for the plugs, because that's all you need. So trying to explain this to you guys, so hopefully it'll hopefully it will start to make sense for you guys, just so I can explain this easily, just so I don't know where all you guys are on your electrical knowledge, but just trying to give you guys some information here of how this all works. But I'm going to be making some videos about that down the road, hopefully sooner rather than later. So anyways, wrapping that back around to the switch box, and then moving on to the kitchen right here. From the switch box, got the kitchen switch leg sitting right there in the ceiling with a couple wires going across the ceiling, which I'll show you in a second. Moving on to the kitchen, landed, this is where I ended the day, but just landed the home runs in the boxes with the kitchen jumpers between the plugs. I got the microwave landed, the range, still have to work on the dishwasher and the disposal plug itself, and then one other plug that's hanging there because the people ripped it off the wall to walk in between the walls for their ease. And then wrapping the living room right here with the plugs from this switch box. So try to give you guys maybe a better video tomorrow, but I'm going to be working like a half day tomorrow, so probably won't get too much done. So anyways, I'll try to do that maybe on like Monday or something, since I'm not working Thursday, Friday of this week, or Thursday, Friday next week. So it's going to be a couple 3-day weeks with a couple 4-day weekends, so that'll be nice. But anyways, taking the power across the ceiling here, and Ryan did a nice job on the home runs, looking really clean right there. Here's my panel from yesterday. I finished this morning, and then put on all the mud rings in this room, as well as grounding the dryer box right there from yesterday. All right, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. I reached 4,000 subscribers today, which I thought I would never reach. I never thought I'd reach 1,000, but this year was crazy. Pretty much like quadrupled the channel. I was either at like 1,000 or 1,500 subscribers at the beginning of the year. I said, let's go for 4,000 as a crazy pipe dream, and we made it. I'm so excited, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway here in about 20 minutes. I'm going to be, after I upload this video, I'm going to record the giveaway video, so stay tuned for that. Look for that in about 20 minutes after you see this video. If you've made it this far in the video, I'll be doing the giveaway video, like I said, in a few minutes. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'd love to see you guys back here tomorrow for one more video for the week, and it would support the channel and help it out and grow. I'd appreciate it a lot if you could just drop a simple like. It would take a second, and it would help me out a lot. Anyways, check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. I'll be doing a live stream also in like an hour or 40 minutes. As soon as I upload all these videos, I'm going to be doing a live stream because I haven't eaten all day. So anyways, that's it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.